viewers. Today our tutorial is how to install CSI eTabs 2017 Ultimate. You first download the zip file from internet from various source of website like Get Into PC or any other website, secureable website software. You should download it from any secureable software website, and then you first right click and extract to CSI eTabs Ultimate. It will extract the file. Now the file was extracted. Now what you want to do means you just select, double click it, and select and double click it. It will show 6 files in that folder. You just click that getintopsc.com and double click it. Now the window is open and click yes, and click install and click yes, click yes. Now the file is started to extract. Now click next, and I agree the term in the license agreement, and click next, and click next, and click next, and click install. Now the software is installing into the computer. So I'm minimizing the window. After the installation is complete, I will maximize it, that previous window. Now I'm minimizing it. Sorry. Now click no. You have the standalone license. You click yes. You do not have the standalone license. Click no. This means it was cracked version. The software is cracked version. So the standalone option was showing in the installation process, in between the installation process. Now another window, CMD window is opened. Don't close this window, because if you close it, the installation process will be rolled back into the software folder. You just minimize it. It will automatically close it this window. You just minimize it. Both processes simultaneously running. See, the both processes simultaneously is running, so the command promote window will not close it. Why I am instructing means so many people have created the mistakes in between the installation process. So click the minimizing, click the minimize. Now the installation process is completed. Click Finish. Another step is just click it, double click it, and double click it, and enter into the cracker file. Double click it, and this is that .exe file. Is the important file for copying to the destination file. You just rename it. It will be changed as etabs.exe. The another process is you just go to this PC and Windows file name and program files, computers and structures, and etabs, and just roll back it and see CSI native image gen.exe file location, that application. You just click it and right click it and give run as administrator. Just click it, the run as administrator, and click yes. It will show the window. You just minimize it and go back to that same file, the cracker file. Sorry, and back and readme.txt. You just open it, just minimize it. Follow the given instruction. Keep a saved copy of etabs.exe, the original file. You first copy that etabs.exe file to the install directory file. You just first step is copy that etabs.exe file. This is that file. You just copy the file and go this PC and Windows C programming file and the computers and the structures and etab 17. You paste it. Now the file is copied into the destination file. You just minimize it and read the instruction. Run CSI native image gen.exe, run as administrator, and click F4. I was previously done this step. So you want to first to do this, you just do this. Another than that, the third step is click F4 twice, that means 2 times. Twice means two times. Click F4. First click is to click F4 on first time. It will show the yes or any other key no until another time also you want to click F4, press F4 button, sorry, press again. It will show the start Microsoft CL or native image generator. The next step is replace the copy original file patch etabs.exe. That means you want to enter into CSE etabs file location, sorry, the file location, and select etabs.exe and right click it, copy it to the local disk C. That means programming file, computers and structures, etabs 17, and paste it. Continue and minimize it. Another step is click F3. That means function button plus F3 button. In previously we have done the F4, click F4. I've just give that command means the buttons will run the command promote window to give function plus function button plus F4 F4 button. Why I'm giving means many of the people should have know this function button plus F4 button, sorry, two times. No, don't have the awareness. They have clicking the F4 button twice times. It will show the screen. That means duplicate screen. So you want to simultaneously press that these two button simultaneously two times. Okay, we want to click F3 button twice simultaneously. Okay, function plus F3. It will show the window. This means the first the command Windows Microsoft.NET framework. First time that twice means the first one show that word, and another time you try to press the button F3. It will run into the compiling assembly status. You just minimize it and please wait till it come to an end. Please wait until it come to an end. You just resize it. Okay, we have to replace that. We have to replace the patch file with the original etabs.exe. You just open the file location in software file location and enter into the cracked file and click and right click it and copy it and minimize it. Go to this PC, local disk C, programming files, computers and structures, etab 17, right click it and paste it, continue. Why the message was showing means this process is not completed. So the file was the window was open. So the window was showing the message. The action cannot be completed because the folder or your file is in open in another program. So this is the reason. You just minimize it. Now the process was completed in CSA native image generator 64-bit. So press escape. Sorry, minimize it and go to the local disk C programming file. So computers and structures, etab 17, right click it, paste it, replace the file destination, continue. Sorry, this message was previously not completed the message, the work, so that was showing again and again. So you just click the cancel button and minimize it, close it, close it, and open it. Now see, there is no message. Now the license is activated. Now we have to create a new model, or you use save user default setting, use settings from a model file, use built-in system settings with. That means these are all already itself the software inbuilt codes. That's a code language and a US customary metric system. That's are all displaying units. These are all the displaying units. These are all the codes. These are all the concrete design codes, steel codes, steel section database, CISC 10 Euro Indian, whatever your country, where is located in your country, you just click and use it. Indian means Indian. Now I am Indian. You just click Indian and select the steel design code, concrete design code, and click OK. Now the another model, the new model quick template, the uniform grid spacing, that means the X direction, global, that means local coordinates, global coordinates. So you should enter the X direction and Y direction, the name of XY, the name of XY spacing grids in grids. Grid only still it means that another window will open it in front of the window. You choose any structural system properties, any whatever the window is showing about the software's uh, designing models. You just use it. I'm not deeply know about the E-types. Now only I am training E-types in YouTube. Now only I am learning, started learning. You complete it. You are adding the blank means you click back and click OK. Approximately I know, but I'm not able to say the clear identifications. Identity means the analysis properties. Now see the project information and structural layouts. Okay friends, thank you. Thank you for see the installation guide for E-tabs